and we've got wind chills in the teens. It's later today where we're going to be watching our next system. That'll bring a wintry mix of sleet and freezing rain initially, and then change over to all rain. So you know we could have a messy afternoon commute. So I just want to give you a heads up on that, and I will take you hour by hour in just a second. But here's a look at your 8-hour forecast. Temperatures will slowly climb to right around freezing at our lunch hour. And then after 3 o'clock, that's when I'm expecting this wintry mix to push into our area. It'll start off in our southwestern communities and work its way towards the northeast. But if you notice, 6, 8 o'clock, the icons there showing rain. Again, it's going to be changing over to all rain as we head into the evening. But we do have that window where it could get messy. And that is why we have a winter weather advisory that has now expanded through much of the area. This is from 1 p.m. until 7 p.m. And again, it's for sleet and freezing rain. We could get a glaze of light ice and some slushy sleet accumulations up to maybe a half an inch or an inch. But the winter weather advisory was just issued at 9:30 this morning by the National Weather Service. Now, if you're in Erie, Huron, Seneca, Sandusky County, the winter advisory goes in through 7 a.m. Thursday morning, and then Ottawa County under an ice storm warning. In fact, if you have plans to head out to the Toledo area, that's where they're expecting more significant ice accumulation. We're talking more than a quarter of an inch. So if you are in those counties bordering that ice storm warning, just keep in mind you could get more ice than the rest of us. But we're not alone. Winter weather advisories extend all the way out in Indiana, Illinois, down to St. Louis. We're going to miss the heavy snow with this. That's extended through St. Louis and Chicago. That's going to stay northwest of our area. But ahead of that low, you're seeing that changeover from that mix over to rain. That's what will be moving in for us after 3 o'clock. So I do want to take you hour by hour here. Again, I can't rule out a few scattered light snow showers and flurries the onset of this. Temperatures, again, right around freezing at noon. So this is 3 o'clock. You can see some of that mix starting to show up in our far southwestern communities. Will be scattered as we head into the evening. Again, changing over to rain as temperatures start to warm back into the mid and even upper 30s. In fact, I expect some temperatures to reach maybe even 40 degrees overnight. So it'll just be plain old rain as we move through the nighttime hours. Now, strong cold front moves in early Thursday morning, mainly after 2 a.m. And that will briefly change over our rain showers to a wintry mix as it exits. So between 5 and 7 o'clock, we could get that wintry mix before it's completely out of here. 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're looking good. Back to temperatures right around 30 degrees, cloudy conditions, and we'll hover in the upper 20s through the day tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have on and off scattered light snow showers during the afternoon and in the evening. Little to no accumulation expected with that. And then we're quiet as we head into Valentine's Day, but it's a cold start. Temperatures will be dipping down into the teens. So I do want to show you our ice futurecast. What you're looking for is anywhere over 1/10 of an inch of ice. That's what could constitute a light glaze. Not really seeing it with this model, but again, it is possible. So we're going to be watching that between 1 and 7 p.m. So still can't rule out a light glaze. Now, looking at your snowfall futurecast, once that switches over to snow for that brief period early tomorrow morning, little to no accumulation expected. If we get an inch, it would likely be over to our far northwestern communities. Then we'll have those scattered snow showers around throughout the day, less than an inch expected. So this is like your up to forecast, half inch to an inch possible with those scattered light snow showers tomorrow. Dry this morning, mix as we head into the afternoon, 3 o'clock and after that, and then changing over to an evening rain. I think it'll be just all rain after 7 p.m. So cold rain tonight, starting off at the freezing point, and then temperatures actually gradually rising to 40 degrees, and then we crash back to freezing when you wake up tomorrow morning. Tomorrow our temperatures will actually go down a notch. We're in the upper 20s through the afternoon. We will have on and off light snow showers around, and the wind, it will be gusting upwards of 30. Winds will be picking up overnight with a cold front, and then we'll continue throughout the day on Thursday. Next up, the weekend. It'll start Friday night as snow, and we'll likely have some accumulating snow Friday night into Saturday morning. Then that'll change over to a mix of sleet and freezing rain over to all rain. Saturday night, we'll have all rain. By the time we get into Sunday morning, that rain will switch over to a mix, and then the possibility of some heavy snow as it moves out. So that's one thing to watch. Behind it, colder air closes in on us, maybe some lake effect snow into Monday, but it's more about the cold next week. So here's what it looks like on the 8-day forecast. Wintry mix to rain tonight. Tomorrow, on and off light snow showers in the afternoon, otherwise colder, windy. Wind chills will likely be in the teens through the day tomorrow, with winds gusting upwards of 30. Valentine's Day, lovely to see the sunshine return to our area. It's brief. We've got that mix. Changing over to all snow on Sunday as our temperatures tumble. How about the highs Monday, Tuesday? Won't even reach 20, and we've got overnight lows in the single-digit territory again. Hopefully you can join me at noon. I'll have the very latest as the system approaches our area.